Today is April 2nd, 2026. I got these batteries for my DJI Action 6 camera. These are third-party batteries, not the original DJI ones, and also a battery, the charging case for it, and it'll charge three at a time, just like the DJI one, the original DJI one. And it's a lot cheaper. This is from Taobao, and I paid for the three batteries and the charging case, a total of 129.88 renminbi or yuan.
So that 129.88 renminbi is equivalent to 19 US dollars. So that's the Taobao third-party alternative, which includes the three batteries plus the charging case. And if we go with the DJI OEM equipment, that would be the Osmo Action Extreme Battery Plus the Osmo Multifunctional Battery Case 3. I have the prices up there. It's 389 HKD for the charging case and 189 each HKD for the battery. So that comes out to HKD 956, which is equivalent to 122 US dollars. So we're looking at a difference comparison of USD 122 versus 19 USD. 122 versus 19. Huge difference in price, right? So now let's take a look. I want to show you how I ordered the Taobao third-party alternative. Okay, so this is Taobao.com, and this is the shop that I ended up getting the batteries for the Action 6 camera from. I ordered this charger bank. It's just a charger, so it's 3488. Doesn't come with any batteries. So 3488 renminbi, that's in Chinese yuan currency. And then I also ordered this, the 3 units of battery. So you can also order two, or just one. And then they also have, let's see, this one comes with, one case, one battery, and then the charging cable. This one comes with two. This one comes with a different charger that's open like this, I guess. You can, makes it easy to charge at home, but then I guess I was thinking that if you have this case, then it's easy to carry with you, on the go if you're hiking or at a picnic or something. And this is more like the original one that DJI sells, right? But of course, it's a lot cheaper, 3488. And I chose this store. I checked out probably at least three or four different stores that were selling this, and I compared the batteries. Some of them weren't 2300 milliamp hours. This had a good rating, relatively speaking, 4.8 out of 5. And then these diamonds also indicate something good about the store. It has a 96% positive review. I checked out the reviews, which seemed pretty positive. There weren't too many reviews, only 7. But this is actually in Chinese, but I use a plugin or an extension for this browser that does a translation. So this is all translated, and that's why some of the spacing and the wording is all messed up. But basically, so the charger was 3488, like way cheaper than the original DJI one. And then the 3 batteries were 98.88 for 3 of them. And so in total, I think, yeah, it was 129.88. And I think based in Hong Kong. The shipping doesn't cost anything if you are agreeable to pick it up at a certain location. But I usually have it delivered directly to my home, and then there's a small charge for that, maybe like a couple of dollars. Yeah, $1 or $2 US to have it delivered to your home. So yeah, just wanted to share that. Pretty good deal. I hope this works, but I'm gonna do a follow-up video to yeah, just explain after using it for a month or so how it actually worked out for me. But you can see there's a big savings in cost if these actually do work out.
These came in, I just got it today, came in this box, each one in the box, and each one was individually sealed in a plastic bag, sort of. And I just tore them off. And this is the box that the case came in. It's the label on the outside. So a lot cheaper than the original DJI products for the Action 6, but it came with this USB-C charging cable, USB-C to A, and the capacity. Let's look closer at the batteries themselves. So it's 3.87. Oh gosh, my eyesight's so bad. 3.87 volts, 2300 milliamp hours, 8.9 watt hours. I think that's correct. And these are for the Action 6 and Action 6, 5 Pro, and 4 and 3 as well. So they all use the same battery. But I think the capacity of this battery is higher than the original. It's 2300 milliamp hours. And it looks, the quality looks really good. It looks, everything looks pretty much the same like the original, apart from the labeling. But this is a close-up of the battery. So I just got it, so I haven't actually charged them up yet, but I will do that and maybe do another video after to explain how it actually worked out. And then this is the charging case. It has a nice soft metallic, paint job on the outside. And this is the labeling on the outside. And on the inside, I guess that's that might be an LED light there. And these are LED lights, these 3 dots that you see there. And these just plug in pretty easily. You can see on the inside, hopefully, there's 2 pins for each port that you plug these batteries in. So I'm going to just try and plug each one in. So that goes in, and just push it in a little bit, probably 3 millimeters or so. And so this part with the contacts, the copper contacts, are on the right side, and just drop it in and press it down. Do the same for this one. So this goes on this side, and I'll press it down and close it up, and then that's the USB-C port to charge it. So I'm going to give this a shot and then let you know later on in another video how it actually works in the DJI Action 6 camera. So I took one of the batteries out of the charger, and then the LED changed to green, even though there's nothing in there. But I took out the original DJI battery just to compare, and so that's what I'm going to do right now. That's what the original looks like, and you can look at even the plastic, how the surface is. It looks pretty, matches up pretty closely. Like, you'd have a hard time telling which is the original and which was the third-party battery, right? But yeah, this is the black one. The one that's all in black is the original DJI one, and that's 1950 milliamp hours versus, well, on the label at least it says 2300 milliamp hours. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out after these are fully charged. So yeah, I just wanted to share that the side-by-side comparison. 1950, yeah. And you got the plastic tab there. There's a little hole there. Yeah, oh, it also has that little thing in the corner there. But yeah, looks like a carbon copy pretty much. So let me put this back in the charger, and you'll see. Oops. Yeah, now they're all red. So I will do a follow-up video to share how this actually works out. Thanks for watching. So after about 45 minutes, the LEDs on the charger turn green, and presumably that means all the batteries are fully charged up. I took out one of the third-party batteries, the one with the panda logo on it. Pretty funny. And I put it in, it's called Kandansi. I installed it in the Action 6 camera, DJI, and it does work. Perfect fit, but I'm gonna put it through its paces over the next month or so and see how that works. Um, Interestingly, when all of these batteries are in the case, or even with one of the batteries out of the case, all of the three LED lights are green. Well, this one's pretty snug. I put the DJI one, the original battery in there, pretty snug. But yeah. So I'm gonna leave you with some of the photos that I took of the original packaging that the batteries came in. But thanks for watching and take good care.